And that's the credit card situation. And he's telling you, don't take on debt. Now, Jake and I, we don't have personal debt. I had a smaller mortgage back in New York. I didn't take on personal debt. But for those of us that are not taking on business debt, we are not creating wealth. And what I mean by that is when Jake and I buy an asset, let's say for $1 million, we're taking 80% of that $1 million and we're partnering with the bank. The bank is giving us $800,000 of that $1 million. We're putting $200,000 down. When that asset is worth $1.2 million, it went up $200,000. How much money did we put down on that property? We put down $200,000. We just earned $200,000. We made 100% return on our money. It's amazing when you think about it. Debt creates wealth. And on the flip side of that, 3, 4, 5, 10 years from now, that $800,000 mortgage is cheaper because the dollars inflate, and the dollars are worth less. So you're paying back that mortgage with less dollars. So for anybody out there telling you that debt is bad, they don't understand the difference between personal debt, which is not good, and business debt, which is what you want. You want to lever up your business life to pay for your personal life. That was the epiphany for me, Jake. I was stuck in the mud. For those of you out there in the rat race, working every week, saving a little bit, then having to go on vacation and worrying about your kids' braces and worried about the car breaking down. That was happening to me. I had the money saved, but then I would use it on that. And I'm trying to squirrel some money away into these 529 accounts and 401k accounts. And I'm giving away the power of my money to someone else to make decisions for someone else. And that really, really got me going, Jake.